Welcome to Great Online Training. This is Naidu. I'm a SAS trainer and programmer. In this video, I'm going to talk about SAS certification. It is everything about certification. How to prepare for the certification exam, how to book or enroll for the certification, and is this exam online, offline, where we need to go to the certification exam to write it. All the details I will cover in this particular video. Let's get started. Topics covered in this video. What is SAS certification? Is the SAS certification mandatory? What are the different types of certifications? What are the contents you need to learn to prepare for different SAS certification exams? Where you can learn SAS programming, where you will get a certification practice questions. Let's get it all these details in detail one by one. First of all, so if you have any questions or queries related to this certification exam, you can call us this particular number so that we can help you and we can guide you for the certification exam. If you think really want to take a live training with us on the certification exam to be cleared, then you can use these numbers. Next, what is SAS certification? Certification is nothing but that is like a eligibility or a qualification. Imagine, so you have learned SAS programming at somewhere and you want to apply to the jobs in the market. So how the interviewer or maybe the job giving organization will decide you are a right candidate for them? It is based on certificate. Certificate is the proof that you are a certified SAS programmer. Okay, any of the certificate like your degree certifications or MBA certifications or maybe your computer's background certification, all are just to prove or to support you on that particular field you are knowledgeable or you are perfect for that particular jobs. To prove that the SAS certification, so we generally need to do. In this certification, generally what you have to do is you need to book the slot through a website that is called SAS.com, or maybe you can type it in Google, SAS certification exam. Then you can able to just browse all the details like what is SAS certification and what are the different types of certifications and all the details. You can anyway get it from the Google and SAS website. I'm here to give you more details so that you can again just jump into that web pages and you will get more details later on stage. So certification is clear now for you. So you need to get a qualification to apply into the job. SAS certification, you have to write it. It is through online only. You can write it. You no need to go to any prometric centers or anywhere. So there are two ways. If you want it, either you can write the exam at your home itself with your computer. For that you need to have your laptop and as well as your camera on that laptop, and as well as you need to just have your mic and headphones so that they'll talk to you on directly and you can write the exam at home itself. The another way is you can just go to the booking the slot through prometric centers. So you need to just first block the slot through online, a specific date and specific time. So this particular certification exam timings everywhere available, the calendar and schedules already available. Choose your perfect time according to your requirement and select the date and time. So just write it. There will be a confirmation mail will be triggered to your email. You can use that link to just launch your SAS certification exam at your home, or maybe if you go for any prometric centers. Yes, this is how we can just go for getting certification completed. So now another question is to the people, is this a SAS certification is mandatory? This is a lot of question, what I can say, people are interested on this question. Actually, in India, some of the jobs, they are not looking for a certification. Whether you have a certification or not having a certification, they'll not worried much. Okay, so very few percent, I can say, out of 100%, only 5% of people only they are looking for a certified SAS programmers to be worked in their project. Around 95% of the organization, they are not worried about to have a certification. The thing is, basically how you are speaking in the interview, mostly it matters. Certification will definitely not put any crown on your head, so be ready for that particular way. So certification is mandatory mainly to the people who are working to the abroad, like if you are working in US, or if you are working in Canada or maybe UK. So then the organization definitely need to look for it how you are belongs to this course. In those cases, certification is mandatory. To people who are in India, certification is not mandatory. It is like a not need to have it. It's nice to have it. So if you have a certificate, it's well and good, so that you can use it. And the thing is, it is what I can say is a one-time achievement. Once you have a certificate, that certificate valued throughout your life. So you need to just think in that point of view. If you thought of okay, so that money is like a 170 US dollars you need to spend to get this particular certification exam done. So if you think that the money and the time what you are spending right now, it's okay, so that it is lifelong what I can say active one, so that I will complete it first certification, then you can go for it. But 100% it is not mandatory in all the places. We're coming to here, what are the different types of certification? Okay, some people saying it clinical, some people it's saying financial, banking and all. Basically, what are the different certifications? It is already exist in your SAS website. Then how we can apply to those one by one. We'll see the first, the name of each certification exam, then we will go for the next. If we just see that these are the 4 certifications you need to keep in mind. So always, one is a SAS Certified Associate Programming Fundamentals using SAS 9.4. This exam, it's all are multiple choice questions in this. So what happens, you have to write an exam. It is like all the details you can, I will just provide you each and every certification details, each and every link, and the below of this particular description in this video. So you will get more details now, but these are the 4 different certifications. The first one is completely a multiple choice question and answers. The second one is SAS Certified Specialist Based Programming using 9.4. Most of the people are doing this one nowadays, so this is very famous one, and even I suggest my student regularly, as I'm just giving a training to my students, I always suggest to go with this particular certification only. So because you have it in both ways in this certification, you have it like a multiple choice questions plus your project related question. That means they'll give a small data to you, they'll give a SAS software to you, then they'll ask you to just produce some output, and based on that output, so they'll ask a question, how many observations you got it in your report, or how many rows are there, how many columns are there, or what is the value for observation number 130 at a column, at a column, what is the value. So like that they are asking some questions. If you already really working on SAS, then only you can able to clear this certification. The above one, if you just go through some of what I can say, the dumps are which are there in the websites and all, if you just go through those questions, somehow you can able to clear the first one. But the second one is definitely you need to have a practical knowledge in the sense, at least you should be in a position to use your SAS software for writing some codes, because they are going to give you that software to you to just answer those questions. The next one is SAS Certified Professional Advanced Programming. So the first above one is base and second one is advanced programming. What the advanced programming is doing here, there are few more concepts. Suppose imagine, so in my classes 1 to 20 classes is going to be just a basic certification exam syllabus. 1 to 25 classes is going to be advanced. That means SQL, graphs, macros, arrays, and as well as transposes, like in detail about your basic certification plus the extra topics is going to be your SAS Certified Advanced Programming certifications. So the more topics you need to learn for advanced SAS certification exam, but yeah, you can able to do that also. The last one is SAS Certified Clinical Programming using 9. So what this certification, Okay, now first of all, what is 9.4 and what is 9? So 9.4 means they are conducting the exam on the latest version of 9.4. That's the reason why the name ends with 9.4. But the SAS certified clinical trials programming using 9 means you need to write an exam through online. It's all about your multiple choice questions again. So it's all about your programming part plus okay, you no need to write any program, multiple choice questions plus you need to aware of all the clinical knowledge like what is SDTMs, what is ADAMS, TLF, that information you need to understand so to write this particular exam. I'm going to give you more details on this particular each and every certification. I'm providing a links in the below of this video, so you will get a PowerPoint presentation, a PDF document for each, how to enroll for it, what contents it is, and all those details I will provide it to you, so you can just go through it. Okay, so this is all about this slide. Let me just go for the next one. What are the contents you need to learn for the SAS certification exam? As I said earlier, I'm going to provide you those documents to you. So which each and every certification exam, there are set of topics you need to prepare, which books are good for you. Everything it's already you can able to find out in that particular document itself. Just go through it. So if you have more questions, you can write it in the comment section so that I will reply back to you. We're coming to here, the next one, where you can learn this SAS course. I'm into this particular industry. I've been giving this particular SAS training from the past 10 years. Okay, so now if you are interested, you can try me. You can try by just visiting our website at www.greatonlinetraining.com. So there you can just enroll yourself and register for SAS course, and so that you can able to get clear your certification exam if you want it. Another way is you can use our internet, so that means internet resources. That means you can use our YouTube channel. Around 12 hours video I kept it on the YouTube, so that you can watch that video. I'm just attaching this one also into this below link, and as well as I'm adding it here in the cards, so that you click on it, so you can able to see and watch the complete video, so you'll be ready for your certification exam. So I'm just giving you this particular 12 hours as a free, so mostly you will be able to complete your syllabus, like up to 50% of the syllabus you can able to cover in this particular videos itself. Rest all you need to read some books and dumps and all. So if you want it, I will provide you. If you can comment me on this particular below of this particular video, so I can provide you those dumps if required really. The next one is here, where you will get the SAS certification practice questions. First of all, even in your SAS website itself, there are certification practice questions, but they are just like a 40 certification questions for each exam. If you think that you want it more practice questions, I'm just providing a link for this one also. So in the below link, so that you will get a complete certification pattern, how it is like looks like. It is all like about mock tests. Each test having a 40 multiple choice questions plus fill in the blanks combined together. So you can just use this particular resource which is there in our website. So we are just giving for students to clear the certification exams easily, so that instead of you reading into a different PDF documents and all, it is like a quizzes. So each quiz having a 40 questions with like that 10 quizzes, we have it around 400 questions we are covering it. So that details also we have already provided it to you in this particular description. You will get more details. I can say that most of the details you can find out below the description. It is very important for you to clear your certification exam. And that's it. If you think that you want a live training with us, so you can just stay tuned to our channel and be subscribed. And if you need more details, and you can call us, ask them to connect to me. So my name is Naidu, so that they'll connect it and I can give you a career guidance if you want it, or if I suggest you, so that you can attend for my live demo sessions also. The demo sessions every week we are conducting it, so that you can attend it, you can ask your questions, you can see how the pulse of market and what are the trends going on right now, what type of jobs you are getting in the market. So these are all those steps I'm going to explain in detail mostly on the demo session, so that you will directly talk to me to get more details on it. So that's it with this particular video, and I thought of this one is helping for you. So most of the required details I'm providing it to you in the down of this video. So please go through it and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll reply back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.